This is just a really quick demonstration of the iTeach website. So the iTeach website, it's a curated site that has a lot of information regarding the apps that were pushed to your iPad. So for example, there's 4 sections. There's the assess section, collaborate, communicate, and then create. So like, let's say you were wanting more information about assessment, how you could use that. So you can get to it by clicking on the little icon here or just dropping this down. But when you click on it, what it does is takes you to this site, and then it has the two apps that the district is promoting and has pushed. So like Nearpod, if you wanted ideas for assessment using Nearpod, just click on the hyperlink, and then um, it gives you some information. Down here you have a little video, so you can watch the video, and then here it gives you some steps to get to it. Okay, and so this site, if you want to go through it and get credit, right here's information. Okay, if you want to do that, of course, I know the plate is totally full at this point, but um, if you wanted to, just let me know. I'm the tech coach, right? Okay, so here's if you wanted ideas on collaborate, on communicate, on how to create, and then digital badges. But anyways, take a look at it if you want to. The apps that I talked about yesterday, Nearpod is really good to know. Hangouts, not anymore because we use Zoom. Communicate, explain everything. That's the one that's really, really great. And then if you're creating videos, YouTube is the one where you want to curate it so that way you can come back to them and you have them organized. And then iMovie is good if you have the time to, um, I guess, produce and add a little bit more features to your movies. But that's if that's something you wanted to invest your time in doing. Okay, so this is just another resource I wanted to share with y'all.